Hi scientists, this is Mrs. Gibbs coming to share with you how to do the assignment for today, which is Friday, November 15th. We've got an assignment on determining half-life. And I will show you, I've updated some things because I realized that what I had created on the teacher end looked a lot different than how it was coming across on the student end. So I think I've updated it so things are a little bit more clear. So let's go ahead and take a look. So on your plan for today, you will see the lesson 3.15, Determining Half-Life. You will have a checkbox task, and then you also have a quiz. So let's start by just going to the entire lesson, 3.15, okay? So there's a little lesson introduction from just the D2L from the online school. And then if we go to this checklist, this is where it really explains what you need to do as far as the assignment today. So let's click on that and wait. And Shadow's coming to say hi. Okay, so you see on your screen, you've got this activity checkbox task list, okay? It says exactly what you need to do. So number 1, please log into Gizmos. I even have the link here. All you have to do is click on that link. And if you've been with MNVA for at least a month or so, you have a Gizmos login. If you can't remember it, send me an email and I can look it up for you. But you log in with your Gizmos username and password that you've used in the past. Okay, so it will bring you to something, well, it's going to bring you to your home page. And then you're going to see a gizmo called Half-Life, and you want to click Launch. It looks like a little rocket. Okay, I'm not on that page now, but click Launch, and then it will bring you to the page that you see on your screen now. Now hold on, okay, so you've got this open. Let's go back to the instructions. You've launched it. Now we need the worksheet. So it says, please download this worksheet. So click on that, download it to your computer. Once you've got that open, it looks like this. Okay, you're going to do the warm-up, and you are also going to work on activity A. So that's the next part. That's what it says. Complete the warm-up and activity A. So the worksheet will tell you very specific instructions on it on how to set up the gizmos. So you will have the worksheet open as well as the website that has the gizmos on it. It says exactly what to do. Get the gizmo ready. It gives you instructions, and then it will guide you through the questions one at a time. So please do all of the warm-up and all of activity A. I think there are 8 questions if you do all of this. Once you've completed activity A, this is like your notes sheet. So you're not turning in the worksheet. Hang on to it because you'll need it for next Tuesday. But now that you've done activity A, you probably have a very good understanding of that part of the gizmo. So that's why I want you to do the worksheet before you take the quiz. If you try the quiz right away, you're not going to do well. It's not going to make sense. Please do the activity A on the worksheet. And then once you have completed that, then there is a quiz for today. So you can click off the checkbox to say that you've done this and then take the quiz. On Tuesday of next week, because we don't have school Monday, but on Tuesday the 19th, you will be doing the same set of instructions, except this time you'll be completing activity B and taking a quiz on activity B. So again, today is Friday the 15th. Please download the worksheet, launch Gizmos, and then take the quiz on activity A. Thanks, guys. If you have questions, send me an email. And if you're a new student, I will be sending you instructions on how to get an account set up in Gizmos.